All right, folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. Looking at this, it is a 4K dash camera. It will go forward, and then there's a camera run to the back to look at what's behind us in 1080p. This is a great device that's going to continuously loop and automatically detect if there's been accidents, which is going to be good for you and for your insurance company if anything should happen. It is really a nice HD screen, which will show up close, and it's easy to set up. On top of that, it comes with all the wiring you need, and if you want to run it through your dashboard, anything like that, there's plenty of wires for that and all the adhesive and stuff to make it happen easily and efficiently. Now we're going to show it to you up close and personal, but I want you to know that this is a great dash cam. Now the SIM card is not included, you're going to want to pick that up. But the card itself, the memory card, if you will, I guess I should say, not SIM card, the memory card, supports up to 256 gig of RAM, the RAM card. So a really fantastic product. You can have a parking sensor, which goes ahead and kind of does a time lapse when you're parked to make sure nothing's going on. And in addition on it, that little reverse camera, you can technically put that anywhere. So you could have that pointing towards your seats on the inside. You could have it pointing out the back window. There's plenty of cable to where you can run it just about anywhere in your car and mount it to pretty much anything. So a really fantastic device. This thing ties in with the app, which you can get from your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store. You can continuously record 2 cameras at the same time, be able to monitor for accidents, tie into your GPS, and it's all GPS enabled. So there's nothing quite like this. On top of that, it has the Sony, S-O-N-Y, night vision, and everything you need with a really fast processor or chip from Sony. So anyway, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I wanted to show you this up close and personal, so we're gonna have to take it out of the car and we'll show you all the stuff that comes with it. But if you're looking for a great dash cam, there are very few that are in this product's league even. This is a first in class, it's a premier brand, and the folks at Kingslim are doing a great job time and time again with their D4 dual dash cam. This thing has front-facing 4K, 1080 in the rear. It is a 3-inch touch screen. That's a nice advantage I forgot to mention. Runs just with a 5-volt, 2-amp connected right into your lighter. And the working temperatures is a large range. It does emergency recording, park monitoring, and loop recording for those emergency situations. 170-degree view, so it's getting a large field of vision, almost everything possibly in front of you, and it's gonna have a better view of things that you didn't even see than you did. Rear camera is IP67 waterproof, so you can put that thing outside mounted right above the license plate or wherever is best on your vehicle. You have to decide that for yourself. And yeah, go ahead and pick it up. Kingslim, premier brand that you're absolutely going to love. Thanks again for watching. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products we really love, and this one's fantastic. Now stick around for the up close portion of the video where you get to see all the pieces and parts up close and personal. Adios, amigos. Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We're looking at this. It's the D4 by Kingslim. It's a dual dash camera, and this thing is 4K plus 1080p. Dual video recordings, which means front and back. Sony STARVIS sensor for super night vision. STARVIS by Sony is the one that you want for night vision, okay? Make sure that whatever camera you get, it's powered by Sony STARVIS. And then it's got the 3-inch touchscreen and the built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. That means it will track where you go and store it right on your SIM card, or your memory card, if you will. Sorry, gotta use the right term there. So let's see what we have here. First, we have the 3-inch screen. This is going to, let's see if I can get this right. Slides in. There we go. Slides in, and it's going to attach to your, to your windshield or wherever. And then on top of that, you can connect. You can see you want to slide in the SD card. You've got the power supply accordingly. So if you want to connect the power, you just use this and run it into your car for power. Super simple there. And then on top of that, you have the backup camera, which is going to plug in right here. So the advantage of this, you can see I pretty much set it up with the exception of a little adhesive to stick it up to the top here. But yeah, this is fantastic. It's pretty much set up and good to go. So if you're looking for a fantastic dash camera, this is a pretty cool one. It has FOV, field of vision, of 170 degrees. And on top of that, a very nice lens. You see the quality of that lens right there? They've done great things. So installation is going to be pretty simple. You're going to want to run this all the way to the back of your car. If you don't want the backup camera or the reverse camera, you don't have to have it plugged in. That's a nice option because not everyone wants to run that. You've also got plenty of cabling. Look at how much cabling we have here for if you want to run it all the way to the back, okay? Easy peasy. Great setup with a 1080p rear camera and a 4K front camera. All right, so very high quality, very petite, and a 3-inch screen. On top of all of that, it does come with, you know, all the 3M type adhesive to go ahead and mount your wires. Comes with a little wiring diagram that's going to be fairly simple to follow. And of course, a straightforward in-color user guide that's easy for you and me. You can also download the app at the GPS store, whether that's your Apple Store or your Google Play Store. You can download the app to work with it. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Working temperatures -20 to 60 degrees Celsius. Input is 5 volt 2 amp. Screen is 3-inch IPS. It's a touch screen. That's a nice advantage. It's 4K and 1080 in the rear. Yeah, supports up to a 256 gigabyte memory card. Okay, I said that wrong. Memory card. It's the IP67 waterproof rear camera as well. And there you can see the lens on the rear camera. So folks, go ahead and pick yours up. You won't be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Thanks again for watching. This is a very nice camera that I think you're gonna dig. So go ahead and pick yours up. You will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and give you one last look. Adios, amigos.